Hello, welcome. This is a tutorial on how to deploy your application or website to the cloud. Well, for those tired of always seeing this website as an example, let me show you the site of a client where basically it's a multi-language site where people can register. What's different with this site is that it has its own tablet application where he manages all the guest lists and the invitations. So just to give an example of the new kind of integration and application you can build with Azurebrite. Okay, back to deploying. So through Visual Studio, go to Azurebrite project, click on roles, double click Azurebrite. Okay, so choose your instance size. Usually you won't go higher than small, but because if you have a lot of traffic, you'll just have a different instance counts, right? Don't forget that with extra small, you have a little bit less features, like actually Azure caching would be the essential one. It doesn't work on extra small, it works starting from small. But beside that, I think the extra small instance is a great value. Okay, so let's go to settings. Okay, select through the drop down cloud, and basically you got the data connection string, you got a diagnostic connection string. Those two are you're gonna have to change to your Windows Azure table storage account, and for security reason, change your username and password. You could always change your email, of course. Okay, so how you do that? Basically, click the three dots, and you're gonna have to enter your storage name and your key, security key. So basically, to get them, you'll need to go to azure.com or windowsazure.com, click portal. It's gonna bring you to the portal. Select storage for Windows Azure storage, and then basically, you got them here at the bottom. Manage key. Click on that, and it will give you the name and two keys. You just select the first one and add that information back here to the data connection string and the diagnostics string. Okay, so now we're ready to deploy. Right click on Azurebrite project, click package, and service configuration cloud release, and click. Okay, well, after a few minutes, there's going to be a folder that's going to pop up with the proper files that you're going to need to upload. So basically here, select the path, copy paste, go back to the portal, go to cloud services, select your account, click on staging, upload new deployment, choose a name. From local, you paste back the proper path, select the proper files, and you deploy. Well, I'm not really going to deploy, but you got to know that it's going to take at least a good 15 to 20 minutes to upload to the server, and even if you only have one instance or 10. When it's uploaded and it's working, you're going to have to swap it to production, right? So just click swap. It's going to take a few minutes. That's pretty fast. And then, and if everything works in production, you're just going to have to delete the staging, or else they're going to be charging for you for it. Of course, if this is fresh install, well, you only have production, right? So you just upload to production. Okay, well, that was the manual way of doing it. If ever you are uploading many times to the cloud, you could do this more automatically by right-clicking, clicking publish, and basically you're gonna have to choose your subscription. So the first time you're gonna have to sign in, download, put your username and password. The moment you log in, you're gonna automatically download your credentials and through a file. Then you're gonna find it and then import it from here, and then just follow the steps, and you'll see it's pretty easy. After that, just right click, click publish, and you can do it. You can publish directly from Visual Studio. Okay, so I'm going to show you a last thing. It's how to deal with domain names. Basically, I'm using GoDaddy, but all registers kind of look the same, right? So I'm gonna go to the DNS manager, and you just gotta point your CNAME to your cloudapp.net that from your account. Basically, in this case, it would be www pointing to azurebrite.cloudapp.net, right? And let's say that means that www.azurebrite.com will have its own Azurebrite portal, and let's say I want another one. Let's say I want dev.azurebrite.com. I just write dev, point to my cloud app, and save. And you can add as many subdomains that you want, and it's going to be a new install for each of them. Well, this setup is not only for Azurebrite, it's for actually any kind of Windows Azure application that you can have. the last thing you need to do is you got to forward. What if somebody doesn't write the www.domainname.com, right? So basically here it's already done, but basically this is going to be forwarded to the www.azurebrite.com, and that's the last thing you got to do, and you're good to go.